staying with it. Azul, the A320. This one was came from Illinois. No, Beelam. Beelam. The A320, you know. We got the 757 going to Atlanta. So guys, this is gonna be a 2-hour show. If this is the second, third video or fourth video or whatever video you tuned into, we're gonna be doing a 2-hour show. All right, 2 hours should be going good enough. All right. So until we reach 1,000 subscribers, for what I know, we're gonna be start doing mobile streaming. Alright? I've been doing research after research after research on it, and I like it. Alright?